I bought a trail camera. Let's have a look. Brand new. It's Tasco trail camera. Let's have a look. Takes these batteries. Let's have a look. Oh. Ooh. What I need to do is read the instructions. And I'll get back to you. Okay, so we open it up to set it up. Put the 4 AA batteries in. There's a little switch here. Switch it on. You wait. And then it comes up with date, time, delay, mode and format. So as you come down, obviously your date and your time is pretty self-explanatory. Your delay is the delay between it setting itself up for the next video. Mode is in movie mode. I go into movie mode. I've got it set up for 60 seconds or 1 minute of movie mode. Okay, I've got 36 clips on this camera now, and then we go down to format. That obviously formats the SD card, so you turn it off. So how do you start it to get it to go? Well, that's pretty easy. You just turn it on, wait, and then you press setup, and then it sets itself up ready to record. I'm not going to do that. I don't want it to record in here. That's about it. So here's a few clips we got from it, from the other night and this week. Good camera, Tasco. I'm actually really surprised how good it is.